2022 has ended. According to Instagram, these are my top 9 makes for 2022. Let's have a quick look at them. Stick around to the end and I will let you know if I agree with Instagram's pick of my top 10 makes. This maxi skirt is one of the projects I created for Bernina for the We All Sew blog as part of being a Bernina ambassador. I sewed mine with 5 different colors, but you could certainly sew this in 1 color or 5 different patterns. This fabric is a lightweight quilting cotton. The tutorial has every step you need to create one yourself. This is a 3-piece look that I sewed for the Fabricista Fabric Mart blog. The pants are from a BurdaStyle magazine, August 2019, number 120, and they're sewn out of a pink stretch twill. The gray shirt is sewn from a rayon knit, and it is the Cashmerette Club Carlisle t-shirt. I used a square neckline, but I added the sleeves from the Concord tee from Cashmerette. The Shacket is my favorite Shacket pattern, the Style Aug Logan Shacket. This is a cotton twill, and I added a bunch of lace that I had on hand just to give it a little extra interest. By the way, if you're interested in sewing cargo pants, I have a video with 10 pattern suggestions for you. Vogue 1704, a Rachel Comey design. I sewed this one because I like a statement sleeve, and these definitely have statement sleeves. The top has an overcast edge detail along the center front and the collar, and it closes with an invisible zipper on the side. I used a lightweight linen, which is perfect in Texas weather. McCall's 8214, a very easy pull-over multi-tiered dress, and it is indeed very easy to sew. This is one of them where the fabric makes the dress. I chose this linen rayon blend that I purchased from Metro Textiles, and it was perfect for this dress. It was lightweight, it's comfortable, it's flowy, everything about it screams summer. And just in case you didn't notice, it has pockets. A Cashmerette club pattern, the Gilmer Skirt. This is a full circle skirt with 3 panels. There's a back invisible zipper and a contoured waistband. I used this beautiful, bold, striped linen fabric from Metro Textiles. And because there's only 3 pieces, matching stripes was actually fairly easy. The Itch to Stitch Azores top. This I sewed out of a lightweight semi-sheer fabric that's textured, and it has this beautiful elasticated waist. You use elastic thread in your bobbin to do that shearing. There's a yoke at the neckline, and it closes with a button and loop. Of course, one of my favorite features of Itch to Stitch patterns is the multi-cup size option available. A Cashmerette club pattern, the Carlisle t-shirt. I sewed 5 of these. 3 just as is with the square neckline and the long sleeve puff sleeve, and 2 variations. The one that had the most likes on Instagram is this white one, which is a double poly brushed knit from Joann Fabrics. McCall's 8339. This is sewn out of an ITY knit that was gifted to me from a sewing friend, and I sewed this as a test. I know that I need to do a focus adjustment. I did not know how to do it on these pattern pieces, so I sewed this straight out of the envelope just to help me figure out how to alter it in the future. You know, for no alterations, it's not bad. The Style Aug Joan woven top. This is sewn out of a rayon challis that I purchased at Style Maker Fabrics. I consider this my woven t-shirt. When I want to wear something casual, but I don't want to wear a t-shirt, this is my go-to. Based on Instagram likes, you like this as much as I do. Popular makes were determined by the number of likes each of them got on my Instagram. I agree with most of them, but there are 3 that I disagree with. The Azores top. Love that top. It's a beautiful make, but it doesn't fit me properly, so I've never worn that one. That beautiful, beautiful, bold striped circle skirt from Cashmerette. Little bit of a weight gain means that it's currently too small at the moment, so that did not get worn. And the same goes for that pair of pink pants, the BurdaStyle cargo style pant, and a little bit of weight gain means those are just a little bit too small also. What was your favorite? Leave it for me in the comments below. Would love to hear. Be sure to keep an eye out for my 2022 All Makes video. That's coming up pretty soon. In the meantime, I hope you have a blessed day and happy sewing.